Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna discuss about life insurance, and the company name is Mutual Fund. We're gonna discuss everything about a mutual fund. Before starting the main part of this video, I need to say that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And please keep supporting me because your support encourages me to do very well and bring this kind of videos to you. So that's why please uh, keep supporting me and please subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel. So let's read the article. What's this say about mutual fund? What is pro portfolio? Portfolio, a combination of flexi cap funds, balance advance funds, and large cap funds with frontline stocks. Portfolio brings together a winning partnership of the three mutual fund categories that aim to enhance returns in a bull market while managing risks in a bear market, balancing risks and accelerating returns. This partnership seeks the perform in every market environment, converting your investment into wealth in the long terms. Metaphors of portfolio flexicap funds. This fund category aim to enhance upside by prudently investing across the market without any market cap or sector bias. Balance advance fund. The fund category aim the lower the downside risks by rebalancing its portfolio between debt and equality investment. Large cap funds. The funds, there are three kind of funds, you guys can see this and we are going to read about it. The funds category makes an opportunity investment in the market leaders which have the potential to weather on the ups and down of multiply market cycle. Horse portfolio combination brings on the table on uh, three different mutual fund categories. We already read about this, and exploration to the market, exposure to the market leaders by investing in large cap stock. uh, let's see about the ideas. Let's read about the ideas, so you guys can see this. Here is the ideas, where they explained it everything. Those looking for a diverse field portfolios that aims to perform in all market conditions, or those looking to build an all season investment, those looking to create wealth in the long terms, those invest for bigger financial goal like retirement planning, house, children and education, on business, etc. You can see this. Make the most of the profitable by sharing the SIP in each of the three funds categories for long terms, and investor education and awareness. Initiative of Aditya Birla San's Life Mutual Fund. All investors have to go through a one-time KYC, know your customer progress. An investor to invest only with SEBI registered mutual fund. For further information or KYC, list of SEBI registered mutual fund and redressal of complaints, including details about SBI scores portal, and that is the website link. You guys can see this. If you want, uh, you guys can go with the website link, and also can read about the KYC redesal. For further details, mutual fund investment are subject to mark risks, and read all scheme related documents carefully. Uh, so yes, everyone know about mutual fund. It's a very good investment planning. They always give their customer. So if you want to apply for mutual fund or life insurance. You guys can apply it for it, and you guys can see this here. You guys can find out their investor. Let's see about what's the what the advisor say about mutual fund. So guys, this is the form you need to complete. You need to submit. Here is the registration form. You guys, you need to tip the registration. Then here if you have a folio with us, you can register for an online account. You guys can see this is the PAN card. You need to submit this, then register, and then a new investor quick tax. So this is the quick test for the new investor. Latest account statement, apply for a video KYC, register online on time, mandated. So this is hot. You guys can find out that. And let's read about advisors opinion about this. So this is the protecting life insurance, health insurance, multiply wellness, motor insurance, travel insurance. You guys can find five count kind of insurance policy here. Investment, mutual fund, stock and securities, management service, pension fund, and real estate investment. And here is the financing option. You guys can see this: home finance, personal finance, SME finance, loan against securities, real estate finance. And it is the advising, money for life planner, ABC of money. uh, so guys, this is all about mutual fund, about the mutual fund article. I hope that you guys find out, and if you want to apply for mutual fund, you guys can blindly apply for that, because it is a they gives very good scheme to the customer and brings a very good offer for them. So that's why you guys can uh, registered on mutual funds. So this is for today guys. See you soon, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.